I want to be able to hear it when I'm going through McDonald's drive-thrus, you know? I can't hear it at the moment.
So basically an obnoxious...
Yeah, you could say that, you know?
Well, if you want it loud so much, why don't you do something about it?
You know what, Chloe? That's a good idea. I might have to do something about it. Let's do this. Okay, that was the cringiest thing ever. Fast as fuck, boy.
Mommy.
Right then, guys, so we are currently joined with Mr. Cobra. How you doing, mate?
I'm doing very good, you know.
I'm glad you're doing good. I'm glad you're doing good. So what are you going to do to this Scirocco today?
We're gonna make this thing pop it.
Oh, well, you know what? I do rate your confidence, alright? For today's video, guys, we are actually going to be installing this Cobra exhaust to my Scirocco. Oh my god, look at inside here. It looks like we've got a fucking snake. Look at that. Oh. What is this? My god, it's got a cobra on it. I don't even know what this is. Now, I've only ever installed one exhaust to a car, and that is the Corsa. Pretty nice, eh, for a 1.2 little Corsa like this. And yeah, this exhaust system is 10 times more complicated than the Corsa. This whole exhaust system behind the Cat is one piece, and it consists of 5 exhaust hangers and 2 bolts, which are very awkward to get to. We're gonna get straight on with installing this exhaust, but I want to say one last or another huge thank you to SEALEY for supplying me with these ramps to make working under the car so much easier. Now, if you guys don't know about SEALEY, they have supplied me with literally my trolley jack, my axle stands, my pressure washer, these ramps. Literally, they have supported the channel from the very beginning, from the Corsa. If you guys would like to pick up your own SEALEY products, I'll leave a link in the description. Definitely would recommend these ramps because I'll show you right now. Boom. As easy as that. This is how it sounds stock. Straight into working gear and basically tried getting these 2 bolts off to loosen the clamp up. However, they were so tight and I really did not have much room to work with. So pretty much after about 3 hours of trying to undo them, so I just took out a saw and I sawed them off. This did take a couple hours, but we got there eventually. We did it! Look, the exhaust hanger is now free. Right there. Look at that. Oh my god. Literally, it's been 5 hours. 5 fucking hours, mate, and we've done it. Oh, shit, now you're right, Emmy. Now, I've invested about £10 into this device right here, which is actually hopefully going to make it 10 times easier. This goes on the exhaust hanger, this pushes out the metal bit, and hopefully we will be getting this exhaust down literally in no time with this thing. And so these are the death trap if you do your own exhaust pretty much. These are terrible to get off. So, obviously, spray a little bit of WD-40 into the little gap. And it's out just like that. Mate, that's quick and easy. Oh my days. And if I actually lower this jack stand or trolley jack, the whole exhaust system should come down now. Very slowly. There we go. Fucking hell, slowly. It's really coming slow. There you go. It's all out now. Look at this. Holy shit, that's massive. And there it is. My old exhaust system just chilling there. Literally, this is what I mean. We have a silencer right here. Mad. We have another silencer, I think. Mad. And then we have the fucking muffler. So pretty much, I do not even want to hear how loud this car is with nothing on. Literally, there is nothing on right now. We got to give it a start. One start up with nothing on. Let's give it a little rev. Oh my god, it sounds like a spaceship. Literally the tiniest amount of throttle. I want it. We've got the new Cobra exhaust all laid out right here. So tailpipes will go on there, this little gasket thing will go on there, and then that will attach to catalytic converter, I think. No fucking idea, I'm just gonna wing it. We'll start off from the front of the car all the way back to the end of the car, put everything in loosely, and then we will tighten everything up with my impact wrench. I want to say a huge thank you to Draper for actually sending this out. Literally, this is going to make it 10 times easier to tighten up all the bolts. These exhaust bolts need to be tight. It's literally got an electronic called torque settings, but it's good for undoing bolts on the car. Links to this will be in the description. Huge shout out to Draper for this. You have made my life 10 times easier. Can I just do a quick happy dance? I know this might be cringe, but that was my happy dance. I put on a little bit of exhaust sealant on the exhaust pipes and then loosely tighten the bolts using the Draper impact wrench. Voila, first pipe in. Got the Cobra logo facing downwards. I'm about to fart. Oh, that wasn't a good one because it wasn't loud. Right, so officially the car exhaust is now on. And I think you guys know what that means. This is the first time I'm ever going to start it up. I don't know what this sounds like. I haven't seen this on anybody's car or anything, so I've literally no idea how it's going to sound. I don't know if it's going to be too loud, too quiet. We've got the Cobra exhaust tips on there, and watch how, look at that. Oh, we've done a banging job of this with help with the impact gun, but I think it's time to finally start this car and see what the new baby sounds like. Because obviously at the start it sounded like this. Obviously this might not be done 100% correctly, so if there is any like air leaks, I don't know, we will find them and we will change, tighten them up and stuff. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's give this a little rev, right? Oh! You know what? I think I can hear the turbo a bit more. On the outside, because on the inside it actually doesn't sound too different. I kind of want to hear. Let's get. Oh, let's. I can't actually tell the difference when we're cruising, and I fuck with that a lot because there's no drone at all in there. Bro, you know what? I actually can't hear it. Hopefully, I haven't just accidentally put on the old exhaust, or the my old one. Ready? Oh my god! I can hear the turbo. I can hear it. Vroom! Now don't piss me off. Low boost. That? Stay in third gear, you fucking willy wag. Oh my god, it's so deep from the back end. Oh my god! That's my car! This is my car! Oh! Right, so just got back from that sick fucking first drive. That was absolutely... What I love about this exhaust is obviously it's not actually loud. It's like, it's what I want. It's absolutely everything I want. In the back right here, everything seems to be installed perfectly. We just need to polish these tips a little bit, but there they are. Whoop! And then underneath we got the Cobra exhaust. So pretty much, yeah, that is unfortunately it's for the install on the Scirocco. Hopefully you guys like the exhaust, and hopefully we are gonna get loads of sound clips for you guys. In the first drive, I will try and get some like B-roll shots of it going flybys and stuff like that. I didn't actually realise, but they actually included a sticker. You guys know that is going straight on the sun strip. So right now we've got ram air, auto LED, cloudburst, and of course Cobra exhaust is going right here. And there we go. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Next company on the sun strip. Really happy with the results. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Now I'll see your faces in my next video.